TVI.
Let me see your hands! Let me see your hands! Let me see your hands!
After a routine check through a CIC, the police discovered that the vehicle in question had not only been stolen, but also had a firearm inside. The tension ratcheted up when, under the cover of night, the suspect spotted the patrol car in a split-second decision, sped away from the gas station. The officers initiated a high-stakes chase, executing a pit maneuver in an attempt to bring the suspect to a halt. The vehicle swerved wildly, nearly losing control, but the determined suspect managed to regain the lane and continued the desperate flight at breakneck speeds.
Going south on Silver Road.
10-4 south on Silver Road. Vehicle still moving to 98 to 33.
What's your speed to traffic?
Ten 4-6 at Silver Road, Silver Lane.
Kilo 69. So I got hit with sticks. I'm out. Hit it right on the road.
Right on Oak Road.
5403 up at Oak Road in southeast 110th Street Road.
10-4 set up at Oak Road and 110th Street Road.
Going north on American.
North American.
Brown as you can fit.
We're coming into oncoming traffic.
Back in the correct lane of traffic. 54, paid, swerved out of the way.
Mary to Air 1, just for 1043. They're going to be at Mary Camp and Bahia Road. 10-4. Station 1033, Singapore. 26.
Earlier, patrol police had laid out a spike strip based on the suspect's predicted route, but in a daring move, the suspect skillfully avoided the trap. On the third attempt, the pit maneuver was executed with precision at high speed. The suspect's vehicle overturned dramatically on the road, trapping the driver and passengers inside.
Let me see your hands! Let me see your hands! Let me see your hands! Let me see your hands in the vehicle! Do not move! Just keep your hands up, quit moving! Do you understand me? I got eyes on two. The one in the black hoodie. If you don't stop moving, I'm telling you right now. Close your eyes.
Close your eyes!
Hey, do the back. Here, Hector, watch that. Mondo, come over here. Watch your eyes, buddy. See your hands.
Get up. Keep your hands where I can see them.
How you want to move?
Well, I'm just saying, just keep them where I can see them. Keep.
Can you pull me there? Wait, hold on. It's glass though, sir.
I know.
Hold
Just
on.
do the best you can, but keep your hands where I can see them the best you can. Don't be reaching in, yeah. Just don't be reaching for anything. You understand me? Yes. You're good.
Listen, man, we just don't want you to get hurt getting out, man. Just crawl out to us, okay? You got anything on you need to worry about?
No, sir.
All right, come on out. Can I put my arm?
With urgency, the police moved in to extricate the occupants from the wreckage. The suspect, astonishingly, turned out to be only 16 years old, facing a daunting bail amount of up to $36,000. In the end, this nighttime pursuit highlighted the relentless determination of the police, bringing a dangerous situation to a dramatic and decisive close. In Little Rock, Arkansas, a heart-pounding chase unfolded when the police received a report of a stolen truck. The thief, driving the stolen vehicle, recklessly sped through the city streets, swerving and weaving through traffic, narrowly avoiding multiple collisions. The police, determined and relentless, coordinated their efforts to track the thief.
3 to 84, Air Force getting
We're going south on the
We're going back over the fast.
South of Reynolds.
first chance they get.
Little Rock getting 10 calls.
Taking 123, going back eastbound. South Service Road.
Get on the South Service Road and head back east.
South Service Road headed east.
He got back on 30 eastbound.
38,
Traffic's still pretty good. Coming up on the
124 heavy traffic. There's 29, Commerce, 183. 23, 21. Taking 124, 90 mile an hour. Taking the 124.
ABI South Service Road
124. ABI South Service Road 124. 23, 22, if they take off running, let me know.
And he tried to bail on foot. Looks like Little Rock's 215.
Yeah, well, copy, we're up. They haven't hit anything.
As the pursuit intensified, the truck reached speeds of up to 100 miles per hour. The thief, desperate to evade capture, pushed the vehicle to its limits, causing chaos on the roads. Despite the danger, the police officers maintained their focus, gradually closing in on the runaway truck. The chase came to a dramatic climax when the stolen truck lost control and crashed near a forested area by the road. In a swift and decisive move, the officers apprehended the suspect, who miraculously emerged unscathed. The high-stakes pursuit, marked by tension and danger, concluded with the thief in custody, showcasing the bravery and tenacity of the Little Rock police.
Get on your feet now! Get on your feet now, or I'm gonna tase you!
A speeding vehicle careened past a police checkpoint, setting off a frantic symphony of sirens and flashing lights. Ignoring the consequences, the driver ignited a high-octane pursuit. Many believe fleeing can outsmart the law, yet statistics show the odds of escape are slim.
What are the charges? other landline.
Nope, stay right there.
That's 10-4, got it.
Despite intervention, the driver persisted, careening off-road and crashing onto a grassy field. With adrenaline-fueled determination, they bolted into a dense forest, with officers hot on their heels. The chase took a surreal turn when the suspect, gripped by desperation or perhaps a moment of absurdity, sought refuge behind a towering tree trunk. It was a brief, almost comical standoff before law enforcement swiftly closed in, ending the bizarre escapade.
313 Flyer. Can we have Med 51? FHP trooper got banged up. Male's in the wood line. He tased him twice.
He's in there.
Sheriff's office! If you're inside, come out now! What's he wearing?
He's wearing a button-up shirt.
Hey.
Pants probably my older.
Hey, come out now! Come out now!
Sheriff,
Get on your feet now! Get on your feet now, or I'm gonna tase you. Put your hands up! Put your hands up now! 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 I'm not playing with you.
Put
Keep your hands up. I'm not playing.
All right.
Give me your hand!
Okay.
Give me your hand!
Oh, it's good.
Yeah, you're scared and you want to beat up an FHP trooper.
No.
Get out of here. Hey! Give us your hand!
Okay. Listen.
No, I'm not listening.
Okay.
Give me your hand. Give me your hand now.
Okay, I know.
No, you're not.
Okay. Oh.
Got him?
I know. Okay, you got him.
In the end, the suspect learned the hard way that evasion is no match for the long arm of the law.
No, put him straight or push him to the right on his blind curve. Send it! Send it!
A stolen Honda races through the city streets, fleeing from pursuing police. The driver's reckless maneuvers running red lights, colliding with another vehicle highlight a dangerous disregard for safety, especially with children in the car. Despite the relentless chase, they continue to evade and overtake other vehicles.
Are you driving?
Coming up to 65th. Going through 65th, speeds are 80. Still in North on University, speeds 90.
For a good spot. Look for a good spot. Across traffic is not a good spot. Get on his freaking butt, dude! Get on it!
Going through Maybell.
If you give him space, you're not going to be able to end it.
Just past the first tee, speeds 90.
You're good. Check this intersection. This is a busy intersection.
Coming up to Ashford, speeds 90.
You're good.
I got a pedestrian.
Yeah, I see the pedestrian. You're good. He's going left. The pedestrian.
Taking a left on Ashford.
End it. Right car.
We're going down on
Stay on him. You're good. Stay on him. Stay on him. Keep your distance. That close distance. If you got a good spot, you can end it. Stay with it. Stay with it.
About gas 36th Street.
Stay.
Speed
If he
90.
takes this turn and you lose him, like I just said he was going to do,
We're taking it. Going on 36th Street.
there it is. Put him straight or push him to the right, not in this blind curve. Send it.
TVI.
TVI.
Law enforcement faces a challenging dilemma: how to intervene without endangering the young passengers. Finally, seizing an opportunity on an empty stretch of road, the police block the car's escape. Officers swiftly arrest the driver and a woman in the car, ensuring the safe removal of the young child. This operation, praised for its effectiveness and safety, ends the dangerous pursuit without harm to the innocent. In today's situations, what impressions have you had? Have you encountered similar situations in life before? Please share with us so we can draw lessons together to ensure safety in traffic. Thank you for your support, and see you in the next videos.